Do you know CapCut is not 100% free in Nigeria? It's either you're ready to pay this, or this amount of money in Nigeria before you can use CapCut. Hi guys, I'm Oluwafemi Joshua by name, and if this is the first time you guys are coming across my video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, and share this video with a lot of people so that they can learn from the channel. Like I was saying the other time, CapCut is no longer free in Nigeria or all other country. Is no longer free. There was a time that we can use CapCut for anything and it's absolutely free, but right now we can't use CapCut for free unless you are ready to pay this amount of money, this and this you're seeing on the screen right now, for them every month before you can start using their features. But right here in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can use all their pro features just for free. Yeah, you heard me right. How you can use all their pro features for just free, So, and this video is just for educational purposes, not to scam anybody or anything. So this is absolutely for free, and I'll be showing you guys how you can do that. And you can go through my channel. There are a lot of videos that you can learn. Yeah, I just discovered how you can get Canva Pro just for free, how you can set up a lot of things, CP marketing, and freelancing. There's a lot of things you can get from this channel. So guys, let's go straight into today's tutorial. Now let's go to my CapCut. I have the CapCut on my system right here. So what you're going to do is that you have your video, and you have, what we'll be doing is we'll be using just two things, and those things are a particular video and the screen recorder software that you use, maybe like OBS Studio, Screenomatics, any other screen recorder software that you do use. So those are the tools that I'll be using, but for the sake of this tutorial we'll be using OBS Studio. So what we'll be doing is that I'll be showing you how you can use all these pro features on CapCut just for free. Just for free. So what you have to do is to come down to CapCut and click on imports that you can see right here. I have the video ready, so just click on it. So when you get the video, you can add the video to track. So these are tracks if this is the first time you are even using CapCut. So this is what we call tracks. This is where your videos, all the things that you'll be adding, this is where you'll be getting them. So this is where you'll be seeing all of it. So let's say for example you're trying to add a particular thing you're trying to add a particular effect, and the effect is actually a pro features on CapCut. So let me show you how you're going to add it and how you're going to just, okay, let's try and use sticker. It's just for an example. So let's try and add something to the video and how you can just go away with it. So let's say for an example this is a pro features, so let's just add it. So let's add it, and so let's just say we are extending it to this place. It's just for educational purpose actually. So let's say we want to put this blurry something, I don't know the name. Let's just say you just want to add it here. So the next thing you have to do is that you can see this place that we have right here. So this is where you can maximize your screen, like you can maximize the player, CapCut player. So what you have to do is to play it. After this is the video I'm trying to use. After you are right here. So what you have to do is to go to your screen recorder. So go to your screen recorder and start recording. Start recording with your screen recorder, and as you can see, let's say we are currently recording. So the next thing you have to do is go back to CapCut. Don't forget we started recording already. So go to your CapCut and do what? And play the video. So and this is how you can capture all the features and pro features on CapCut just for free of charge. You're going to use all the features just for free of charge. And if this video have been helpful, let me know in the comment section, and I'll be dropping more of this video on this channel. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updates, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye guys.